Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to lock apps. In the beginning, from the homepage, let's go to settings. Now enter family and parental controls, go to PS5 console restriction and enter your parental console code. Now go to user creation and guest login, allow, parental controls for new users, and now you can set parental controls for PS5 and for PS4 games. For example, let's select 5, and for PS4 let's select from 3 to 7. Now, whenever new user, such as your child, will enter the game, they will have to match parental controls. To disable this function, select Mine User, go to Settings, Family and Parental Controls, Restrictions, enter your code, and select Don't Restrict. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.